Today, we're in Veto Lake Wilderness Area doing a short family kayaking trip in late May. Just hoping to get a couple miles out here. It's late in the day and wanting to catch a good sunset, which Veto Lake's always been good at providing. Pretty cool little rock formation there. Right next to County Road 3.
It's so much fun here.
Yeah.
Wow. Come on, Daddy.
What do you think, Savannah?
Good.
All right. Sure. Keep hitting all kinds of sandbars, but it smells yummy down in here.
Wow.
Here we go.
Wow, we're back here already. Wow. Oh, this is hot water.
Is it warm?
Yeah, it's warm.
That's cool.
It turned warm instead of cool. This is fun.
Over there's a canoe.
Wow.
See the canoe?
Yeah. This is so warm. Mommy, the water is warm.
The mist's starting to come up.
Isn't that cool? It's like a waterfall.
It is.
We're in a race mood. We're gonna race you, Mommy. Okay. Looks like you're winning.
Okay, you get it. Oh. Back up. Like this. Like this. You're doing it.
But I don't want to turn around though. Pretty nice.
It is nice out. Yeah.
Mommy needs to catch up. Is it raining?
Shooting water in the air. It looks like it's raining.
It's raining on us, Daddy. I mean, Mommy. I'm getting rained on. We should probably head back, Daddy, because it's about to rain.
It feels like it's raining.
It is raining.
Okay, here we go.
That's better. Wow! Seatbelt on a boat.
That's right. Feels like it. Coming off the paddle.
Wow. We're catching up. We're not going to shoot you, Mommy. We promise.
You've heard that before.
Let's get closer, Daddy.
Oh my gosh! You're getting me too good, Savannah.
Okay, we can do it. Can you go super fast?
Yep, got it.
Best kayak ever.
Yeah.
We had a good trip.
Yeah, it was an amazing trip.
I really wish we could do some more.
We will come back, I promise. And we'll do some other lakes too.
And that ends our paddle at Veto Lake. Had a great time. We got about just 2 miles in. Nothing too big, but it was a beautiful sunset. Got to do it as a family, and I think all 3 of us just can't wait to get back out on the water. Thank you for joining Journey on the Trail.